Upholding its commitment in providing affordable quality education to the community, Marinol College of Panabo Incorporated continues its mission in providing the best Catholic education to our students. My name is Julius Gomez, and this is Marinol College of Panabo Incorporated.
After receiving the government permit last March 2019, Marinol College of Panabo Incorporated has already produced 3 batches of graduates, with the first batch having passed the licensure examination for teachers last September 2024 and are now teaching in different schools. Batch 3 graduate Mara Manzano is also now working as an assessor in the Technical Vocational Department of MCPI.
Finishing my degree in DTB is helped me a lot. Taught me how to combine technical skills with teaching strategies. So una, kuan lang karon teacher na jud ko. Sakto ako ang mga na eskwelahan na kuan no sa ko ang as a DPPT sa akong graduatean ako dayon gi-apply sa akong mga students. Okay, nagpasalamat pud ko ug dako kay as a graduate of Marinol College, no? Sako sa product diri sa Marinol na nakagraduate jud. Kato lang, sir. Salamat pud dako sa Marinol nga natabangan ko as a trainer become really a teacher.
Scholarship programs like Tulong Dunong Program and Teacher Education Subsidy, together with the Student Assisted Scholarship, has helped students like Giselle Dacuya in finishing her course and now working as library assistant in the school.
Thankful kayo ko sa administrator, sa especially kay Father, and sa nagtabang sa ako na mas scholar sa Marinol. Thank you so much, Marinol College of Panabo Incorporated.
MCPI aspires to become a premier institution that offers the best teacher education program in the region. And with our continuous pursuit of excellence, we believe we can achieve this.